Again, to your point, I think like you're an avid reader, right? I mean, it seems like you read a lot, right? So what books are you currently reading, or audio books, or which one do you prefer? You prefer a physical book, audio book, and which ones are you reading?
Okay, nothing beats the smell of a good book. So I'm reading one and I'm listening to one. Right now I'm reading The Secret.
Okay.
Uh, I just read Primalbranding again from, oh, I forgot his name. Oh, ouch.
Hmm.
Well, it's a book about Patrick Hanlon.
Okay.
It's a book about finding your tribe and how communities is a system of beliefs. And if you as a leader touch or create new beliefs, how are you gonna get that community to follow you?
Hmm.
And so far, I'm immersed in that. Also, I'm reading a marketing book because I'm doing this certified program of exponential marketing. And yeah, I mean that's all I can that's all I can hold off right now.